Organizations that drive a diverse culture can make a real difference to their bottom line, productivity, and results. We know this from research that we've done with Fortune magazine on the most admired companies that we've been doing over the last 12, 15 years. We also know this from the work that we've been doing looking at the best companies from leaders. And we know that global companies have embraced diversity over the last 20 years, outperform their competitors in similar industries. We know it's really important for organizations in Australia at the moment because we're really facing an opportunity where this workforce is shrinking dramatically. We need to increase the participation of women. We have a very high migration into this country, so we need a way to assimilate and make sure that organizations can get the most from these new employees that they are gaining and create an environment where their ideas are accepted and the creativity and innovation gains can be realized by the organization. Right? Organizations that embrace this kind of diversity really start at the top. Leaders at the top of the organization are committed and consistently talk about their commitment to diversity. They appoint women to their boards. They appoint women to their senior executive committees. They do research. One of our global clients did a really in-depth study looking at not just female versus male, but also sexual preference. And they went and they talked to these different cohorts and asked them to work together in teams to help them create the right environment where their careers could prosper in that organization. Organizations that embrace cultural diversity also develop and train their leaders to have a much more open mindset to accepting people of different cultures, different genders, and working with them to understand and bridge the differences between those, and also appreciate and build teams that where ideas can be generated and people can feel free to share different ideas and different points of view, but also for the benefit of the bottom line of the organization, for the benefit of thinking differently about the work we do and how we do it. Leaders in these organizations are also even incentivized around how their ability to have diverse teams, promote people from diverse backgrounds into leadership roles, develop and nurture that. So the role of leader is changing in those organizations to be much more focused on managing and coaching people of all races, colors, and cultures. If we're going to make the best use of the labor force that we have here in Australia and be the most productive Australia that we can be, it makes common sense that organizations embrace people from all different walks of life and help them to achieve the most that they can in their working lives.